This store I used to work in here for a long time. I worked in Souk for a long time, for more than 15 years. He was a tourist guide for tourists also and stuff. But Simo, I worked with him the longest. When you are in Souk, you don't feel like you are working because you are always around your friends.
Yeah.
It's like a family, you know?
Yeah.
Ada, one of my best friends here in Souk. And he's very funny and he's very cool. He's a great guy.
My brother. Ayoub is my brother.
He's my best friend.
No, my best friend. My brother.
He's my brother. So in here there is the butcher. They are selling all types of meats. This is the meat. In Darija we call this Korean. So delicious.
How do you cook it?
You cook it with hummus and it tastes so delicious.
This is the area for used clothes. For those of you who are into thrifting and stuff, there's some great stuff here that you can find really, really cheap and nice quality. It just takes a little bit of patience to kind of like go through everything. So if you're staying here too and like living here in Morocco for some time, for me, I think this is a great option instead of like having to pay full price for something in some of the other areas.
As I said, even if I told you, for example, in the Dornan Bertuli, there is spices, there is other areas and other places that sells also, you know?
Yeah, so it's mixed.
It's a little bit mixed.
Yeah.
You know? It's the black soap made in Morocco.
Black soap, what do you use that for?
This one you are using it when you are going to hammam.
Yeah.
So you are putting it in all your skin and you lie down for a few minutes. So all the dirt will come out. And there is also some restaurants in those areas that who are selling the msemmen and tea and brewat and everything, and they are nice.
So that's the door 9 right there, that area over here. When you come in here, has all the stuff from souvenirs, you can get postcards, you can get leather articles, you can get the traditional wood. They have like different like magic boxes for kids where they can open it up with a key. They have jallabas, there's also jewelry down here too that you can get. You can get like decor for your house, lanterns, everything is in this area.
So now we get to the door number 8, and if you are hungry and you want to eat a big meal, like fish, sardines, lentils, a lot of different types of traditional food, you can just turn on your left and there is the world of the food and everything there. And we are doing another video just about the food there, and we will try a few different Moroccan dishes, so we will share with you the experience. So I hope you enjoy this tour of the souk, and the souk is a very big and we can't show you everywhere, so we just give you a few ideas. That's a great pleasure to show you this place that means that means a lot to me, because I spent the majority of my time here. So see you in the next video.